Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at this beast. Right, let's have a look at this then. So, as you can see, it is very bulky. It's not a small machine at all. It's not incredibly heavy though. It's I suppose it's usable for a few hours. If you're stapling above your sand, then might make your arms a bit tired after a bit, but yeah, other than that, it's not too bad. This is the Ryobi 16 gauge nailer. See if we can see that. It will go from 19mm, which is 3/4 nails, up to 65mm or 2.5 inch. So quite a good variety of sizes that you can use in it. Safety button there. Well, I think that activates light as well. We've got the cap here that comes off, which is your protective thing. This is for if you get any jams, you can clear any stuck nails out. I've not actually had any problems with it yet, but I used it for the first time in my previous video. I'll put a link to that. I was building a light box for my wife. That was the first time I used this. Nice slide, as you can see, whatever size nails you've got. So I think these are inch. You just put them in at top. Don't matter what size, they all go in at the same place. I think these are 2 inch. These ones came with it. These were in the box with the gun itself. So let me see what size these are. Yeah, 2 inch. So it's nice that it came with them. We've got here on top, which is your power. So depending on what size nails you're using or how deep you want the nails to actually go in, you adjust that. And then we've got a fine tune. This makes this foot like go out or in, so it depends on whether you want a flush nail or if you want it sinking into wood when you use it. You just turn that whichever way and it moves this up and down. So if I go around like this, you've got a spare foot there for if that one wears out. I've not pulled it off there yet. I don't know exactly how it comes off, but I'm sure I'll find out when I need it. And then under here, if you can see that, that's to change it for your bump. So every time you press it down, it'll fire if you have it on that setting. Or on this setting, you have to press the trigger, which is alright if you're trying to line it up specific places. That's I've not actually tried it in that bump function yet, which I will do that in a minute when we demonstrate it. But overall, it's a nice system. Now, that's the only Ryobi nail gun I've got. I have got this one. This is a 18 gauge that obviously runs off compressor. Now this is much lighter. As you can see, it's a hell of a lot smaller, and it functions faster. You can literally just throw them in as fast as you want. And this one, there is a bit of a delay. You'll see that when I come when I show you it working in a minute. But I just thought I'd let you know that if you're only working in a garage, like in your own workshop area, and you've got a compressor, you might consider getting the air nail gun instead. But that is perfect for if you need to go use it outside somewhere that you can't actually use your compressor. It is really good. So we'll get set up, we'll show it working, do a bit of testing on it. Right, I've got a piece of wood. We'll load this up. If you can see, there is a button there. That's so you pull this back till it locks in. Then we'll use some of these inch nails, slot them in, they fly out way down there, press that button in, that's it. That's as simple as that. We are on single fire at the moment, so we'll just show you how it works. Here we go. This is fairly soft wood. I don't know if you can see that, because I'm going to try and get it. Now that it's gone fairly deep, and as you can see, I am on low setting, and that is the highest it will go. So for softer wood, you're not going to get a flush. It's going to sink. That's probably a good 2 mil deep in there. But as you can tell, it's not breaking any records on the speed of it. It does run fairly slow. The first time I used it, because I was used to using the air gun one for the couple stick compressor, and that one you can pretty much just do it like that. This, there is a delay, but overall it's pretty good. I'll stick some of them bigger nails in, we'll see how they work, so just bear with me a second. Right, so we'll load it up with bigger nails. Now bear in mind, we are still on the lowest setting, and if you look here, you can just see a bit of a diagram with arrow pointing that way. Twist it that way for your nail to be sticking out a bit, twist it that way for a flush. So we are lowest power, 2-inch nails, and as you can see, that has still sank it clean in. Not sure if I've got any, but yeah, let's have a look at this. Bit bigger wood, let's see how it works with this one. Now that is a bit harder wood. As you can see, I can definitely feel that now. It's not gone all the way in. Let's try this bump function. So I should be able to just hold the trigger. Right. See, on that bump there is, they are sticking up quite proud. There's a lot sticking out there, so we'll just adjust it a little bit. we'll turn power up a touch, try that. There we go, sinking them straight in there. Right, let's just alter camera, we'll get another view on this. Right, let's just now they are going really deep in there. It's because I've left the power turned up a little bit. Right, so I think the only thing left to do now is just to, we've got some thin backing board. I've put the inch nails back in it, so we'll just see how well it performs on just a light duty. Bring you in a bit closer. That is on the lowest setting. That one is just a little bit proud, you can feel it, but all these other ones, I mean, them, I can't even see nail on that. It has got it, but it's, you might want to just be a bit careful for light work. But yeah, overall I'm very pleased with it. I think it's got a discount on it. Got it from Homebase, they had it on sale. I think it was like 125 quid or something like that, so a good like 60-70 quid saving. Yeah, well, thanks for watching. Hope it cleared up any questions you might have if you're considering buying one. Like I say, it is a bit of a beefy machine, but definitely if you're on Ryobi platform, it's worth having one in your collection. So yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.